How to properly check the Valorant store on mobile. The first things first, if you're using an Android device, just go ahead and then just access your Google Play Store. Now we will be downloading an application that's going to be called Valorant Tracker. Now what you need to choose is the icon that says valking.gg, and if you choose on that, this is the actual Valorant Tracker where you can access Valorant store using your phone. Just simply download this application and install it. Then once you have successfully installed it, just access the app, and then you can choose to log in with your Riot ID, your Apple, or even your Google Mail account. Now, once you have successfully logged in, for you to be able to properly access the store on mobile with Valorant, just simply choose on the store beta that is going to be located at the lower right portion of your screen. Now, if we tap that option here, as you can see, it is temporarily removed from the store feature. So this is just a temporary maintenance that is currently ongoing right now. But once the maintenance has been left off, this is going to be the portion of the option that you'll be choosing so that you can access any items from Valorant store just using your mobile. And that's how you properly check the Valorant store on mobile.